Hi everyone! Today I'm going to talk about the renewed project of GuitaReact, starting with the mockup process. At first, I was sure that the first version of GuitaReact was functional, but deep inside I knew that visually speaking, it was okay. At that moment, it wasn't the focus. The goal of that version was to make possible the idea that I got in mind and also prove to myself what I learned about React.js. And in the meantime, using GuitaReact, I was thinking how I could change the project and how I could add new features on it. If we are talking about functionality, hooks should be here in this new project, but also I want the project to look good. So I decided to work first on the mockup. I used Figma and I worked on some mockups with different themes types to think which one of them I prefer to move forward. And then I thought, why should I pick one or two of them when I could take all, right? Am I right? And if you wonder why I picked those colors, I was inspired by listening to the music of Jack White. He usually uses primary colors, so I took that idea seriously. I enjoy building the mockups. It helps me better to visualize the possible final goal that it will be implemented, and also helps to figure out how the new features are going to be part of the project. The idea of having more than two themes in one project I handled before working on my website a while ago. Actually, it was the next project when I finished the first GuitaReact. And if you don't believe me that it is possible, check this out. It's beautiful, isn't it? And yes, every time that you press the button to change theme, it will make a sound inspired by Avatar: The Last Airbender series. But that could be another topic. Don't lose focus. That functionality is going to be working with Redux Toolkit, and it will be the first functionality that I'm going to add because that will help me to verify if each theme is showing up as expected. And yes, the process to add that is kind of tedious, but the result is amazing. Also, the incredible tool that I'm going to use to make this project looks professional, it will be Material UI. It's gonna be the master for this. Let me show you what I got so far with the mockup. Doing this, I realized that I didn't build the sign in and sign out screens, but focus on the next steps is going to be the functionality. The original GuitaReact, I used Firebase to make sign in and sign out, and I used Firestore to save the information about the sounds that each user would save on it, and also to get all the sounds that the user already saved there. I need to figure out how to deal with this, because I want to use the Redux Toolkit with Firestore to add the actions that I want on this project. I'll keep you up about the next steps when I get into it. And if you're wondering if I'm going to upload this project to GitHub, yes. But first let me check if what I want to do is going to work. To be honest, I'm excited about this personal project because I visualize something that catches my attention, and knowing that this project is going to be record for me to use, it makes this worth it. At least for me, that's very important. Thank you very much for taking some time to catch up with me. Let's see how this is going on. I hope everyone can use it or check the code to get inspired in your own personal project. See you around.